Subtracting single big digit from any number. Subtracting 9 from any number. Over here AB minus 9, A minus 1 and B plus 1. Let's see the examples. 67 minus 9 equal to 58. Over here 7 plus 1 is 8 and 6 minus 1 is 5. Over here 78 minus 9 equal to 69. That is 8 plus 1 equal to 9 and 7 minus 1 is 6. Over here 97 minus 9 equal to 88. 7 plus 1 equal to 8 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Over here 262 minus 9 equal to 253. That is 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and 26 minus 1 is 25. Now practice this by yourself. Subtracting 8 from any number. AB minus 8 is A minus 1 and B plus 2. See examples. 56 minus 8 is 48. That is 6 plus 2 is 8 and 5 minus 1 is 4. 75 minus 8 is 67. That is 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 minus 1 is 6. 152 minus 8, that is 144. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 15 minus 1 is 14. Try this.
Subtracting 7 from any number. AB minus 7, that is A minus 1 and B plus 3. Examples. 76 minus 7, that is answer is 69. That is 6 plus 3 is 9 and 7 minus 1 is 6. That is 69. 125 minus 7 is 118. That is 5 plus 3 is 8 and 12 minus 1 is 11. Over here 56 minus 7 is 49. That is 6 plus 3 equal to 9 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Solve this.
Any number from power of 10. Over here 10,000 minus A, B, C, D. So the formula is 9 minus A, 9 minus B, 9 minus C, 10 minus D. Remember, in the units place take 10 minus D and the rest places take 999. Now see examples. 10,000 minus 3297. So as per the trick, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 9, 10 minus 7 is 6703. Over here 1000 minus 297. So 9 minus 2, 9 minus 9, 10 minus 7. Answer is 703. Over here 10,000 minus 297. But here the answer to be subtracted is 297. That is 3 numbers and the 10th power are 4. So add 0 over here. So now the answer will be 9 minus 0, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 9, 9 minus 10 minus 7. So 9703. Over here 1000 minus 085. So now over here the subtracted number is 2 and 0 are 3. So add 0 over here. So now 9 minus 0, 9 minus 8, 10 minus 5. The answer is 915. Try this. Spatial subtraction method. Subtracting numbers from left to right. The question is 2984 minus 1293. Here lower digit 9 is greater than the upper digit, that is 9 is greater than the 8. Hence we have to put 1 before corresponding upper digit, that is we have to put 1 before 8. Now we have to solve from left to right, that is 2 minus 1 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, but 1 is previously given to 8, that is 1 is given to 8. Therefore we have to subtract 1 from 7, that is 6. So 9 minus 2 it will be 6. Now as we have given 1 previously to 8, so we have to take it as a 18 number. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 1691. So this is type 2. 2137 minus 1142. In this question we can see that 11, that is upper digit and lower digit, are same. So when the same numbers are there, we have to look for the next column, that is 3 and 4. So here 3 is smaller than the 4. So we have to carry over 1 to the 3 as previously done in the type 1. Now 1 before upper digit in second column as well as in third column, that is before 1 and 3. That is we have to put 1 before 1 and 3. Now we have to solve it as done in type 1, that is from left to right. 2 minus 1 is 1, but we have given 1 to the second column, that is 1. So it will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now we have to take this 1 as 11. Then 11 minus 1 is 10, but we have given 1 to the next column, that is 3. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Now we have to take this as 13 as a whole number. 13 minus 4 is 9 and then 7 minus 2 is 5. In this question we have the same digits, but the next digit is also greater than the lower digit. So we don't have to take any carryover over here. So the answer will be 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 2 1, 7 minus 2 5. Now try this.